Hi, in this video, we will talk about single inheritance. So in our previous video, we have discussed what is inheritance. So there are three types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level, and hierarchical. In this video, we will discuss about single inheritance. So single inheritance means you have two classes. One is parent class, another one is child class. So how class B will get the properties of class A, we will take one example and we'll see how it will be. Okay. So let me go to Visual Studio Code. So here I created one class called calculator. Okay. So in this calculator, I have some fields. So public string brand is equals to, I'll say Casio. Casio is the brand of calculator. And public boolean is solar powered. Solar powered is equals to true. And then private int price is equals to some 100. Okay. Apart from that, I have public void. So as it is a calculator, we'll have addition, subtraction kind of functionalities. So here I'll add system.out.println. What is that? Adding the numbers. So addition is to add the numbers. And the same way, I have public void subtract. Okay, this is just an example. So system.out.println, I'll say subtracting the numbers. Okay, this is my calculator functionality. Okay, so first I created this calculator, but after some time, there is a chance, there is a requirement that I need to create another calculator with some more functionality. Okay, that is called, I say, advanced calculator. Okay, I want to create advanced calculator, but here the requirement is, what is that requirement here? Here my requirement is add, subtract, multiply, and divide. I need these four functionalities in advanced calculator, but I have already add and subtract in one of my previous classes, which I already created. Okay. So if you implement the same functionality here again, so that will become duplicate. So because of that, I want to use this add and subtract from the calculator class. Then I cannot duplicate my code. So how will you get that both the things from the calculator? Okay, so that time you can use, see, these properties are some fields. So I want to take this brand. Okay, I want to take this brand or e-solar power. This properties also I want in the advanced calculator. So then what you need to do? Then you need to create a relationship between calculator and advanced calculator. Okay, between these two. So how you can do that? So with the help of one of the keywords called extends. So that is a predefined keyword in Java to make a relation between two classes. Extends. What is that? Calculator. You extend something from the calculator. Okay. Now, apart from here, apart from calculator functionality, advanced calculator also contains its own functionality. Okay. At the same way, here also you can get calculator specific functionality. Okay, you can write some other methods which are not applicable to calculator sometimes. Okay. So because of that, what I'll do, I'll create first advanced calculator specific functionality, public void multiply. Okay, we want to multiply, right? So system.out.println. So multiplying the numbers. Okay, And the same way, I want one more functionality. What is that? Divide. So here also same thing, system dot out dot println dividing the numbers. Just an example. Okay. So now I want to access all the functionality. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll create a main method. So you can create a main method in another class and you can call these things. And otherwise you can create an object to this and you can get. Otherwise you can directly use public static void main in this class also. Public static void main. So with the main method also, right, we can execute the class. So because of that, I'm creating main method. So now I will create an object to advanced calculator. Advanced calculator AC is equals to new advanced calculator. So normally with our previous knowledge, if you create an object and you can get all the methods or fields from that particular class, it means AC dot you can access, multiply and divide. But with the help of inheritance, you can access, add and subtract also. Okay, so we will see that. AC dot. Okay, I want to use add method. Okay, AC dot subtract. Now AC dot multiply. AC dot divide. So this is how I can access the methods which are there in the calculator class also. The reason is I extended this class. And the same way, I can access the fields also. System dot out dot println. What is that? AC dot brand. And the same way, AC dot is solar powered. And I can take AC dot price. Right, we can get the price also. Okay, so now I will try to execute, then these methods should get executed. These output statements should print in my console. Okay, if everything is working fine, if I achieved inheritance. Okay, so now let me go to command prompt. Now I'm in the folder. So if I want to access, I need to compile the first calculator. So Java C calculator dot Java. So it compiled successfully. Now I'll compile advanced calculator. We'll see is there any error. You see that I'm getting some error. System dot out dot. So there is a typo. Okay. Print ln. Okay, so let me compile again. You see that here I'm expecting an error. The reason is, you see, price has private access in the calculator. If it is private, you cannot access. So this is not possible, right? So I'll comment this. So I'll say can't access because this is private, right? Now go back and compile now. You see that it compiled. Now I'll execute Java advanced calculator dot Java. Sorry, advanced calculator. Okay. You see that we are getting everything, adding the numbers, subtracting the numbers, multiplying the numbers, dividing the numbers, Casio, true. But actually this class contains only these two methods. Even though I'm able to access add, subtract, this brand and is solar powered. So how I'm getting all these things? Just because of inheritance. So I'm extending calculator to this advanced calculator. So this is how I can get acquire the properties of calculator in the advanced calculator. This concept is called inheritance, and this is from one class to just another class. So this is single inheritance. Okay, so this is all about single inheritance. And what could be the possible interview questions here? So the same thing, what is inheritance in Java? What is multi-level? What is single inheritance? What is hierarchical inheritance? Why Java will not support multiple inheritance? These kind of questions you may face. Okay. So in our next video, we will discuss about multi-level inheritance. Okay. That's all in this video. Thank you.